Here I'm making a slope, and this is the surface of the ground. Okay, just assume, guys, please don't go to the diagram, just focus on clearing the concept. Okay, so let me make an angle theta which defines the inclination of slope here, and is theta. So what if I place an object right here which is circular, and circular object can help us to define the force very easily. And I'll make a fresh, it's not working well. Okay, just consider this. Okay, so what if this ball rolls down, and when it will roll down, you will observe the movement. You will observe the movement of this ball, and when it comes to here, there will be the change in, this is the initial position, and when we'll come here, this will be its final position. Okay, let's move further. Okay, so here you can see the force is applied. Okay, this is the process defining the force on an inclined surface. Okay, but what if I remove force from this surface? Okay, when I will remove the force, this object will not move. You just before watching this video, you can refer to the Newton's laws of motion. Okay, that will help you better to explain this video. So this is the first position and this is the final position. Okay, so you can see the change in the position of the objects due to force. Okay, force is so powerful that it can move trucks. You can see trucks are moving, bikes are moving. Okay, you kick the ball and ball flew, and so the total world is working upon universal forces, or you call them forces of universe. Okay, everything is just interdependent upon forces. Here you go with the explanation. Let me go here and just consider this is the ground. Just consider this is the ground, and okay, I choose red one. Okay, here this object is facing a force due to Earth's gravity. Okay, F1, let's consider this force to be F1, and let's consider this force to be F2. Okay, so where will be the net force? Okay, in further classes you will learn about vector, but still I am explaining a bit portion of this. The force will be in between of the two forces, which will be the resultant force. F resultant. Okay, F resultant. So this is the net component force. This is the vertical component and this is the horizontal component. Okay, horizontal component. So this is the net force acting on the object. That's why it rolls down through the inclined plane in the direction with the plane. Okay, what if I remove the object, I remove this object and make the change in the shape of the object? Okay, eraser here. Okay, what if I place a square box here what will be the change in force? Okay, definitely it will going to depend on the weight, which is mass, of the object. This is the important term you have to understand here. Okay, let me get you some basic terminology, from which you can understand the concept of force well. Okay, let me just move on to the side page.